To download Windows Server 2022 Preview, visit the website given in the description. Choose the file type you would like to download. After selecting click Confirm, next select Language and click Confirm again. You will get the Download Now button that will be available for 24 hours only. If you wish to download again some other day, you must repeat the process. You can run on a separate machine or install on a virtual machine software. Provide the name of the app, select the memory and hard disk size. You now click Guided Mode to be guided for further steps, or click Create if you are aware of the settings. I tried to add the ISO file as a virtual machine. It did not work. Because we must create virtual hard disk first to import the ISO file. To create a virtual hard disk, follow the steps given on the screen. Choose the memory size to be allocated. Green area shows you are good to allocate this much amount of memory, and for hard disk, select Create a virtual hard disk. Here provide the file location and give the size of virtual hard disk. Since we are importing from ISO image file, we select VDI, VirtualBox Disk Image, and to save space on your hard disk, select Dynamically Allocated. But first provide the path to your ISO image file that we downloaded from Microsoft website. Selecting boot order to choose where the virtual machine will boot from. To boot from ISO image, select Storage. Insert the ISO image from downloaded files, click OK to save the settings. Now your virtual box is ready to be launched. Click Start button to initiate the virtual machine. Now system starts and start loading Windows files and reached setup to start installing Windows. The basic steps of Windows setup are classic from Windows 7. Select languages and region, click Next. On next screen, click Install Now. Setup requests for a serial number, since it is a trial server setup. We can continue without entering any details by clicking I don't have a serial key. Select the server environment you would like to experience. Accept terms and click Next. Here you can choose which type of installation do you want. Upgrade or custom install. Since we are installing on fresh VirtualBox, we select custom installation. On custom installation you get options to set up your virtual hard disk. Select the hard disk, create new partition and form the partition, select the formatted partition and click Next. System copies the files and install updates. This setup will take some time. I shall fast forward this copying. System will reboot after completing the installation. System will reboot twice during the installation processes. Next time boot will be from CD the ISO image we selected. Skip to hard disk boot to start from recently installed Windows Server 2022 setup. By default, username is administrator. Enter a strong password, re-enter password. Now you can log in to using the password you entered. Now we have working Windows Server 2022. Next video on Windows Server 2022 will discuss improvements done on the newest version of Windows.